Okay, when we're squaring binomials, we're actually taking everything on the inside and we're multiplying it by itself, right? So that's just like saying we're going to take the 4 minus 7u and we're going to multiply it out again, 4 minus 7u, okay? It is not 4 squared minus 7u squared, okay? That is wrong. So it's actually multiplying everything out on the inside by itself. So if I were to do this the long way, I could take 4 times 4, right? And I could multiply it and then add it to 4 times negative 7u. And then I can take the negative 7u times a 4, and then a negative 7u times a negative 7u again. And then I can simplify everything out, so I get 16. This is minus 28u, and then I have another minus 28u, and a negative 7 times a negative 7 is plus 49u squared. And then I can simplify these two, so I get 16 minus 56u plus 49u squared. Okay, so that's our answer, and that's the long way of doing it. One of the things we can notice is if we're multiplying these binomials, or if we're squaring these binomials, is we can take, let's go ahead and see, I'm going to take 4 minus 7u and square it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my first term and I'm going to square that. Then I'm going to add 2 times, and I'm going to take the first term times the second term. So I have 4 times a negative 7u. So this is I'm going to double that, and then I'm going to take my second term and I'm going to square that. So here I get 16, and I have, this is going to be 8 times 7, or negative 7, which gives me negative 56u, and then negative 7u squared is just plus 49u squared. So very quickly, I can multiply out this binomial by simply doubling the first term times the second term and making that my new middle term. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's do this one. So notice again, my first term is 6, right? My second term is a plus 7x. So instead of doing the whole long way of doing it, we could do, 6 plus 7x times 6 plus 7x. And we can go ahead and do the whole multiplication. But we can also just notice that we can take 6 squared. We can take our first term and square it, plus, and I'm going to double my first term times my second term, and then I'm going to add just my second term squared. So now I get 36 plus, I have 6 times 7 is 42, times 2 is 84x, and then my last is just plus 49x squared. So very quickly I can find the square of a binomial